Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and a little commercial for Gaahleri for their Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales that they're going to have. And they're going to be huge too. If you follow this QR code that I'll put right here, it'll take you directly to the Gaahlerie's new webpage and you can order direct from there. Not only will it give you a good discount, it gives me a little bit of a kickback so I can keep buying new paint and everybody will win. But you can also follow certain dates and times, which I'll put links down below to the 3 that I'm going to cover tonight, when they're going to be on sale on Amazon. So if you don't want to go directly through Gaahleri or follow the QR code, you can go through Amazon and do it that way too. Either way, it's a win for you. But what I want to talk about is 3 of the really good airbrushes and really good sales. The first one's, I'm looking at my computer here. The first one is the Gaahleri 39, which you've seen me use before. Does a really good job. It's a great entry-level airbrush. Usually it's $49.99, and it's going to be on sale for the Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale for $29.99. Which, if you're thinking about just getting into an airbrush, there's a good deal right there. The next one is going to be a big one, and the next 2 are huge. And I know everybody's interested in both of these because they've seen me use them, and I've had a lot of good comments about them. The one is the Trigger Gaahleri 68, which, I gotta lean over here, usually is $69.99. And they're cutting the price down to $49.99, which is really good price. I did the Texaco truck with that one, and it did really, really well. So if you're looking at the trigger, an entry-level trigger, that one's a really good one. Now the Swallowtail is a whole nother animal. That thing is just incredible, but this is a great deal, don't get me wrong. And then the last one I'm going to talk about, and I'll let you go, is the Gaahleri 98D, which is the dual action. You take it apart with no tools or anything like that to clean it, work on it. Really nice airbrush. I use that for all my real close-in stuff, and I like it a lot. But it is usually, let me see here, $99.99. And it's going to be on sale for $69.99. That's a big drop for a really, really good air gun. If you wanted to get 2 that were just awesome and you'd know you're never going to have to mess around and think, I should have got this or I should have got that, this Gaahleri 98 and the Swallowtail would be the perfect match. And I'm saying that because I have both of them, and they are. Along with the Gaahlerie's air compressor, which is a dual feed air compressor, you can't go wrong. So check out these sales. Like I said, you can go direct link, or you can go on Amazon and look at them and see what you think. Anyhow, I'll let you go with that. I'm Grandpa Mark. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. I'll see you soon.